Welcome to Cafe Di Lora's Kitchen. Tonight I'm gonna show you guys how I make my grandma's spinach. This is very easy to make, and this kind of dish, this is goes almost anything. So here is our ingredients that I prepared. First, our diced red onion, pine nuts, golden raisins, olive oil, and of course our spinach, salt and pepper to taste. Let's start it. So let's just turn our stove to high heat. And then we're gonna add some olive oil. Let's just make our olive oil hot before we're gonna start adding our ingredients. The first thing we're gonna put is our pine nuts to make them toasted. So let's just putting our pine nuts now. We are going to toast them first before we are going to add our diced red onions. So now they're starting golden brown. We are going to start putting our diced red onion. We could also now put our golden raisins. Let's just keep sauteing them together before we're gonna add our spinach. Okay, now we're gonna start putting our spinach. Making this dish is very quick to make because we don't want our spinach to get like smushy. Oops. So now we're gonna add some salt and pepper. There you go. In a minute, we're going to turn off our stove. Easy. Okay. It's done. So here is my grandma's spinach. Very easy to make. Okay. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching.